In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert multiple rows in Google Sheets. This can be a real time saver, especially if you're working with large data sets or need to frequently reorganize your information. We'll break it down into simple steps that anyone can follow, whether you're a beginner or you just need a refresher. First, let's navigate to Google Sheets and open up the document you want to work on. If you haven't started a new sheet, simply head over to sheets.google.com and either create a new spreadsheet or select one from your drive. It's crucial to have your sheet open and ready as we proceed with these instructions. Now that your spreadsheet is open, you'll want to identify exactly where you want to insert those multiple rows. Let's say you decide that they need to be added below a specific line. Click on the row number on the left to highlight the entire row where you want the new rows to appear. With that row highlighted, right-click to open a context menu. This menu gives you several options, but the ones you're interested in are Insert One Above and Insert One Below. Since we want to add multiple rows, you're going to need a little trick to speed things up. Here's the key part. To add multiple rows at once, before you right-click, select as many rows as you want to insert. To do this, click and drag to highlight the number of rows you need. For instance, if you want to insert 5 new rows, you'll need to highlight 5 existing rows. After you've highlighted them, then go ahead and right-click and choose either Insert X Above or Insert X Below, where X represents the number of rows you have selected. This will add the same number of new blank rows. At this point, you should now see your new rows inserted right there where you need them, filled with blank cells, ready for you to enter your data. It's a straightforward process, but knowing these tips can dramatically improve your efficiency when managing data. If you find you've added the rows in the wrong place or need to adjust, you can simply select and drag these new rows to a different position within your sheet, or consider using the Undo button